Have you ever wondered what it's like to travel across the northern coast of Spain? Welcome to Alcabri's travel blog. I'm your host, Alberto Alcabri, or simply Al, however you prefer. We're on an epic adventure exploring the northern coast of Spain, a region brimming with hidden treasures and magnificent cities. Our journey commenced in the vibrant heart of Madrid, from where we journeyed to Toledo, Avila, Salamanca, Valladolid, Palencia, León, Burgos, Logroño, Pamplona, Vitoria, Gasteiz, and the Donostian paradise. Together, we've uncovered the rich tapestry of culture and history that each of these Spanish cities unfurls. Today we're poised on the cusp of Bilbao, ready to delve into its unique charm. Rest assured, there's a lot more to come as we continue our exploration of the breathtaking Spanish northern shores before heading to the wonders of central east and southeast Spain. We've reached the northern coast of this beautiful country, which possesses a long list of hidden treasures and magnificent cities. After having enjoyed the Donostian paradise, we are now heading to Unveil Bilbao. As we venture further along the northern coast of Spain, we come upon the vibrant city of Bilbao, a place where ancient traditions meld seamlessly with modern innovation. Nestled in the heart of the Basque country, Bilbao is a city that tells a tale of transformation, from its humble beginnings as a port town to its metamorphosis into a hub of art and culture. As you wander through the maze-like streets of the old town, the Casco Viejo, you can't help but feel the pulse of the city. Here, centuries-old churches stand tall amidst bustling marketplaces where locals and tourists alike come to sample the best of Basque cuisine. From the tantalizing pinchos, small bites bursting with flavors, to the rich and hearty Basque stews, the gastronomic delights of Bilbao are a feast for the senses. But Bilbao is not just about the past. It's a city that embraces the future. The Guggenheim Museum, an architectural marvel that glistens under the sun, stands as a testament to the city's commitment to contemporary art and design. From the moment you see its titanium-clad exterior, you know you're in for an extraordinary experience. The journey to Bilbao also unveils the city's natural beauty. Surrounded by green hills and located by the shimmering Nervion River, Bilbao boasts of picturesque landscapes that are a delight to explore. The city's parks and gardens, like the Etxebarria Park, offer tranquil retreats amidst the urban hustle. However, the true charm of Bilbao lies in its people, the Bilbaínos. Known for their warmth and hospitality, they are the heartbeat of this bustling city. Their love for their city is infectious, and their zest for life is evident in the city's lively festivals and vibrant nightlife. Bilbao, a city that is sure to captivate your senses, awaits you. From its rich history and culture to its stunning landscapes and friendly locales, Bilbao promises an unforgettable journey. So come along and let's dive deeper into the magic and allure of this magnificent city. Bilbao, a city that is sure to captivate your senses. Bilbao, a city that boasts a unique blend of rich history and modern architecture. Now let's embark on a tour of the highlights that Bilbao has to offer. First on our list is the Guggenheim Museum. This titan of modern architecture, designed by Frank Gehry, is a spectacle in itself. Its curvaceous, titanium-clad form seems to shimmer as it catches the light, a sight that is simply mesmerizing. Inside it houses a treasure trove of contemporary and modern art, making it a haven for art enthusiasts. From the avant-garde, we step back in time as we wander into the Casco Viejo, Bilbao's old town. Here, narrow, winding streets are lined with colorful buildings, each one more charming than the last. You'll find yourself immersed in the city's history, as each cobblestone and antique shopfront has a story to tell. It's like stepping into a time machine where the past and the present coexist in perfect harmony. Now, let's talk about food. Oh, the food. Bilbao is a gastronomic paradise, an absolute treat for food lovers. The city is famed for its pinchos, the Basque version of tapas. These bite-sized delicacies are a culinary art form, combining bold flavors and textures in a way that is quintessentially Basque. From the traditional, such as the gilda, a skewer of olives, anchovies and pickled peppers, to the innovative, like a pinso topped with seared foie gras and apple compote, every morsel is a revelation. Let me share a story. One evening, after a long day of exploration, I found myself in a pinchos bar in the heart of the old town. The place was buzzing with locals, the air filled with chatter and laughter. I stood at the bar, a glass of crisp, local Tizzacoli wine in hand, and feasted on an array of pinchos. Each one was more delicious than the last, an explosion of flavors that left me wanting more. It wasn't just a meal, it was an experience, a moment of connection with the city and its people. But Bilbao is not just about the past and the present, it's also about the future. The city has undergone a remarkable transformation in recent years, from an industrial powerhouse to a vibrant cultural hub. New shops and restaurants are popping up all the time, and the city's calendar is packed with festivals and events. It's a city that's constantly evolving, always looking forward yet never forgetting its roots. Bilbao, a city that you'll remember for its unique charm, so whether you're an art lover, a history buff, a foodie, or simply someone looking for a unique travel experience, Bilbao has something for you. It's a city that captures your heart and leaves you yearning for more, and that's the magic of Bilbao. As we bid farewell to Bilbao, we carry with us memories of its unique charm. A city that has etched itself onto the canvas of our hearts, Bilbao's allure is undeniable. As we navigated its winding streets and marveled at the fusion of old and new, we found ourselves immersed in a cityscape that is as diverse as it is captivating. Our time in Bilbao has been a whirlwind of unforgettable experiences. We've ventured into the heart of Basque culture, tasted pintzos that danced on our tongues and delighted in the vibrant energy that pulses through the city's veins. We've gazed upon the shimmering titanium facade of the Guggenheim Museum, a beacon of modern art that stands in stark contrast to the city's Gothic cathedrals and historic plazas. The city's indomitable spirit has left an indelible mark. Bilbao, once an industrial hub, has transformed itself into a cosmopolitan treasure. Its resilience and determination are woven into its architectural tapestry and echoed in the warm smiles of its people. This city isn't just a place on the map, it's a testament to the power of reinvention, a tribute to the enduring spirit of progress. From the verdant hills of Alcabri offering panoramic views to the bustling markets brimming with local produce, Bilbao has proved to be a feast for the senses. The city's symphony of sounds, from the clinking of coffee cups to the murmur of the Nervion River, has provided the soundtrack to our adventure here. As we look back, we can't help but feel a pang of nostalgia. The city's vibrant energy, its rich tapestry of culture and history, and its welcoming people have made our journey here truly special. Bilbao, with its unique blend of tradition and innovation, has truly captured our hearts. As we journey onward, we carry Bilbao with us. Its spirit, its vitality, its charm, these are the treasures we've gathered in our time here. They are the memories that will keep Bilbao alive within us, long after we've left its bustling streets and picturesque landscapes behind. Goodbye, Bilbao, until we meet again. You've been a city of surprises, a city of charm, a city of unforgettable experiences, and for that we thank you. Until our paths cross again, adios, Bilbao. As we say goodbye to Bilbao, the journey continues. As we leave the heart of Basque culture, rich in history and vibrant arts, we embark on the next chapter of our grand Spanish adventure. The road ahead is paved with the promise of new discoveries, of hidden gems waiting to be found, of stories waiting to be told. Can you feel the anticipation? It's the thrill of the unknown, the allure of the next destination. And if you've been with us since Madrid, you know that each city, each stop on our journey holds its own unique charm and character. From Toledo's historic walls to Leon's vibrant nightlife, from Palencia's serene parks to Donostia's stunning beaches, we've experienced the rich tapestry that is Spain. And now we're heading north. The whispers of the ocean will be our guide as we traverse the rugged coastline, the salty air filling our lungs, the sounds of crashing waves our constant companion. Our next destination, Santander, a city that sits like a jewel against the backdrop of the Cantabrian Sea, its beauty both raw and captivating. Santander, with its blend of sandy beaches, bustling city life, and historic landmarks, is a feast for the senses. It's a city that thrives on energy and vibrancy, yet holds dear its history and traditions. Just like Bilbao, Santander promises a fusion of experiences. From exploring the historic old town with its quaint streets and charming architecture to lounging on the beautiful El Sardinero beach, there's something for everyone. And let's not forget the food, the fresh seafood, the delectable pastries, the rich, robust wines. It's a culinary journey that's as exciting as the city itself. As we set our sights on Santander, let's carry with us the memories of the cities we've visited, the experiences we've shared, the sights, sounds, and tastes that have made our journey so unforgettable. For the road ahead is filled with promise, with adventure, with the magic of discovery. In our next adventure, we're heading to Santander. See you there. Adios.